All right, Chapter 4, Lesson 2, Adding and Subtracting Fractions. So how do we do that? All fractions that are added or subtracted must have common denominators. So if you need to rewrite the fraction as an equivalent fraction, having them both with the same denominator. Then you simply add or subtract the numerators, keeping the denominator the same, and if needed, you reduce or rename when necessary. So let's look at an example. Let's say that we had 2/3 plus let's do 1/8. 2/3 plus 1/8. We need to have common denominators. So we need to be thinking about what is a common multiple that they have. So the multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9. Do you remember what's next? 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Good. 24 is also a multiple of 8. It just so happens that the two are multiplied together, but that does not always happen. So let's make them with denominators of 24 and create equivalent fractions. So to go from 3 as your denominator to 24, we have to multiply by 8. So we're going to multiply our numerator by 8. So 2 times 8, 16. To go from an 8 denominator to a 24 denominator, we multiply by 3. So we're going to multiply our numerator by 3 and we get 3. Now we add 16 plus 3 is 19. And we keep our denominator the same. And then we check whether or not we need to reduce or rename. Here's where our divisibility tests come in handy, because you can use your divisibility tests if you're not sure if they have a common factor. 19 happens to be a prime number, so unless 19 is a factor of 24, the only factor they're going to have in common is 1. So there is no reducing here. 19/24 would be our answer. All right, let's go add and subtract some fractions.